ChatGPT and how it's going to change the future. For years, there has been widespread concern about artificial intelligence, AI, and its eventual conquest of the globe. Who thought it would begin with art and literature? After months of dominating the internet with its AI image generator, DALL-E 2, OpenAI is back in everyone's social media feeds due to ChatGPT, a chatbot with the company's GPT-3 technology. It's not the most memorable name, and it might easily be the name of a random computer component or an obscure legal reference. Yet, GPT-3 is the internet's most well-known language processing AI model. So, what exactly is GPT-3? And how is it used to create ChatGPT? What can it perform? And what exactly is a language processing AI model? Everything you need to know about OpenAI's new chatbot is provided here in this video. What is GPT-3 and ChatGPT? OpenAI's GPT-3 Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 is a cutting-edge language processing AI model. It can generate human-like text and offers a wide range of applications, including language translation, language modeling, and text generation for chatbots. With 175 billion parameters, it is one of the largest and most sophisticated language processing AI models to date. So far, the most prevalent use has been the creation of ChatGPT, a highly sophisticated chatbot. To demonstrate its most basic capability, we requested GPT-3's chatbot to write its own description, as seen here. It's a touch cocky, but it's absolutely truthful, and, in my opinion, quite nicely written. In layman's terms, GPT-3 allows a user to provide a trained AI a variety of written cues. These can be queries, requests for a piece of writing on a topic of your choice, or a variety of other phrases. It identified itself as a language processing AI model before. This simply implies that it is a software that can understand human language as it is spoken and written, allowing it to comprehend the textual information it is fed and determine what to spit back out. What can it do? With 175 billion parameters, it's difficult to pinpoint what GPT-3 does. As one may expect, the model is limited to language. It, unlike its sibling, DALL-E 2, cannot create video, sound, or pictures, but instead has a thorough knowledge of the spoken and written word. This offers it a rather broad variety of talents, from creating poems about sentient farts and cliché rom-coms in parallel worlds, to explaining quantum theories in layman's terms and producing full-length research papers and articles. While it can be entertaining to utilize OpenAI's years of research to get an AI to create horrible stand-up comedy scripts or answer questions about your favorite celebrities, its true strength resides in its speed and comprehension of complex issues. ChatGPT can provide a well-written alternative in seconds, but we may spend hours researching, analyzing, and writing a paper on quantum physics. It has limitations, and its software may become quickly confused if your prompt becomes too intricate, or if you just walk down a path that becomes a little too niche. It also cannot deal with thoughts that are too new. World events from the previous year will be faced with little knowledge, and the model may occasionally offer inaccurate or confusing information. OpenAI is also well aware of the internet's penchant for causing AI to generate dark, damaging, or biased material. ChatGPT, like its predecessor, DALL-E image generator, will prevent you from asking improper queries or requesting assistance with risky requests. How does it work? On the surface, GPT-3 technology appears to be straightforward. It swiftly responds to your requests, queries, or prompts. As you would expect, the technology required to do this is far more sophisticated than it appears. The model was trained using online text datasets. This contained a remarkable 576 gigabytes of material acquired from books, web texts, Wikipedia, articles, and other internet-based work. To be more specific, 300 billion words were entered into the system. It operates on probability as a language model, predicting what the following word in a phrase should be. The model went through supervised testing to get to the point where it could accomplish this. Here, it was fed inputs. For example, what color is the wood of a tree? The team has a proper output in mind, but that does not guarantee that it will be accurate. If it gets it wrong, the team enters the correct answer back into the system, teaching it the proper response and assisting it in learning. It then goes through a second similar step, where it offers various solutions and a team member ranks them from best to worst, training the model on comparisons. What distinguishes this technology is that it continues to learn while predicting the next word, continually refining its grasp of prompts and queries to become the ultimate know-it-all. Consider it a more powerful, smarter version of the autocomplete software that you may find in email or writing applications. You start typing a sentence and your email system suggests something you should say. How is ChatGPT going to change the future? ChatGPT has the potential to transform the world in a variety of ways. Among the possible applications are highlighted here: improving natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning (ML) skills for more accurate and efficient human-computer communication, improving customer service and support by employing chatbots that can interpret and respond to clients' inquiries in a more human-like manner, advancing the development of virtual assistants and other AI-powered solutions that can help with everything from booking appointments to delivering information and answering queries, improving the quality and speed of language translation, which might enable cross-cultural communication and collaboration, help with data analysis, financial analysis, and a variety of other sectors. It is crucial to stress, however, that the real impact of these technologies will be determined by how they are developed and used in practice. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video till the end. We hope you found it both instructive and entertaining. Feel free to give your thoughts and doubts in the comment section down below. If you did, we'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing and ringing that notification bell, you will be among the first to know when we publish new content and will be able to keep up with our newest news and updates. See you in the next one.